Okay, so first I want to point out that I don't think the borax works as good as the Biz. The Biz just has a more soapier feel and it seems like things are easier to scrub away. But like I said, because I'm standing in the tub with my bare feet, I wanted to have, a more natural detergent because the Biz is harsh on my skin and I do have sensitive skin. But in the future, I would probably just stand outside the tub and use the Biz instead of the borax. And secondly, you guys, this is the hardest job in this bathroom. This stuff does not want to come off. I really got to work out here. I really had to put that elbow grease in to scrub, and this video is on a time lapse. I did this for probably about a half an hour, the entire area, and oh my gosh, my arms are killing me. Guys, this part right here makes it all worth it because I just find this so satisfying, seeing all the dirt and all the soap get rinsed away. I love this part.
You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer, all messy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. obscurity, don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know me. I'm a danger to myself. I control, you don't know me. I am fading unfelt. Oh, you look worried, and maybe you should be. Cause this is a warning that I'm throwing out. Cause I'm the worst player that ever will play you. To mix up sweet words with the girl's sanity. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Down to obscurity, don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know me. I'm a danger to myself. I control, you don't know me. I am fading unfelt. Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing.
And here it is, the finished result. I love it. You guys, I feel such a weight lifted that all that stain and color is gone. Let me tell you, I will not be buying any more bath crayons, markers, or paints for this house. That was just such a rough job. But I'm so glad it's done. I feel so good. And look at over here, guys. Finally, this is what I ended up with. I really kept going back and forth. I did not know what to do, and most likely I will end up changing this too. But for now, this is what I came up with. And I love my little grass bird. It really makes all the difference besides, cleaning and decluttering. Just to add a new shower curtain and a couple area rugs and a couple towels, it just makes all the difference, you guys. I'm so happy with the result. We still need to paint this bathroom, but for now, this is a great start and I feel so good about it. I want to thank you guys for going on this journey with me. We're taking back control of our lives, one mess at a time. Stay tuned for more videos like this because they are coming your way. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to go check out Caitlin's channel and please let her know I sent you over. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Every change